Valentine's Day, Monday, February 14th. It's still New York session. I want to go over two trades that I took today and one that I missed. So I am on the lovely Wall Street US30. Let's see, this is the 4 hour time frame. As you can see from last week, we have been in a nice downtrend. So naturally, when I came to the charts this morning, I said, okay, I'm looking for sales. So then I came all the way down to I think I came down to the 5 minute. Well, let's see, the 15 minute. Yep, I marked up my resistance area here. Some people will call this a supply zone because the way price pushed down from here. And let's see, come down to that 5 minute. Okay, so this is what I saw this morning. No, I didn't take it on the 5 minute, I took it on the 1 minute. Yep, so this is what I saw this morning. This was around 10. Yeah, it was 10. So I saw price coming down. This is a strong bear candle here. So I entered at the closing of this bear candle, and my TP was here at this zone about 34,400. And as you can see, price came almost all the way down, and then we did a huge retracement back up. So had me sweating. So I thought it was going to stop me out. It didn't, and I did come down and hit my TP. So that was the first trade. So then for this trade here, I think I came back to the 15 minute. I was about to say, where did price go? Okay, yeah, so I came back to the 15 minute, and I see that price is coming down in this corrective pattern, descending corrective pattern. So I was just waiting to see if we were going to break the 34,400 area again. At that time, this 15 minute candle wasn't closed yet, but I saw that it was pushing up really, really strong, this bullish candle here. So again, I came down to the 5 minute. This candle still wasn't closed. It was just pushing up really strong bulls. So I also took this trade on a 1 minute. Okay. So yeah. So I drew a little trend line here. As you can see, price broke the trend line. Some people would have drawn it like this, but I like to connect as many highs as possible. So for me, it broke the trend line, ranged, came back down, still testing. Once I saw this bull candle here, I said, okay, I'm in. So I set my TP here, which was 34,570. Or was it 560? I think it was 34,560. And this was my zone. This was support, turned resistance. And I wanted to see if it was going to turn into resistance again, because this is my counter trend tree. I wasn't supposed to take this. I'm only supposed to be looking for sales. But I said, okay, I took a chance on that one. I did hit TP. And then this is the trade that just happened not too long ago that I missed. So being that we are in a downtrend now, this is 30 minute. I was waiting to see if price would come here and pass this high in order to continue up. So now I'm back on the 5 minute. And as you can see, after I took this trade, price did go up some more. We only made it to about 34, what is that, 723. Price failed to break. Let me bring this in. Price failed to break up above this range, and we continued down. I was supposed to be on the charts looking for an entry to come down, because like I said, we're still in a downtrend. I could delete all this now. This can go, this can go. All can go. So yeah, so we're still in this downtrend. So for me, I would have waited for a price. At the time, it kind of looked like a head and shoulder type pattern. I would have waited for price to break this area of support here at 34,541 and took my entry here. But I missed it. Let's see how this looks on the 1 minute. Oh yeah, it came down. This was the retest. I meant the pullback. We came down. Yep, I could have entered right here. Oh goodness. Yep, I could have entered right at the closing of this bear candle at 34,505. My stop would have been right there, probably here. Nope, not here, because I don't want a 60 pip stop loss on US30. And I probably would have taken it right back to 34,400. So that was 104 pips, but did not take the trade. So those are the two trades that I took and the one that I missed today. So I'm anticipating price to test the zone, which we are here now, 34,400. I'm waiting to see if we will go up again or if we're going to continue down. What zone is this? Okay. Or wait to see if we're going to come down into this. What is this? 34 even, maybe? Yep. And to 34,000 even. So I'll be waiting, and if a setup comes, I will bring another video tomorrow or at least sometime this week. Thank you all for watching.